Almost all art museums are soul searching right now. How can they be more relevant to their communities? And this museum, the Arkansas Museum of Fine Arts, really shows how they can be relevant to each other. It has community programs like art instruction, community theater, and galleries, and a great collection of drawings. This building becomes reinforcing for a dialogue between these arts, but also making it possible for community members to experience all the parts of art, nature, and the city in one. This building is an example of one of these art museums that's a victim of its own success. It just grew over time, and it was just a big jumble. Our job was really to edit the building, take out the extraneous things, and highlight the positive things.
Structural engineers did a lot of forensic work to really know how can we interface with these existing buildings and take advantage of the structure that was there, which is in buildings the most carbon-intensive element. And so we were able to use these foundations, and that's how the roof blossom developed. It found its way within this infrastructure on either side of it, and it did it not just in a pragmatic way, but in a beautiful way.
Discovering this beautiful Art Deco facade that was buried deep inside the building and bringing it back out to be the front door, it's an important part of Little Rock's history with the arts, and really connects to the materials that we tried to bring forward in the rest of the building. So starting with the very inside heart of the building and then moving outward from there. We've found through other museum work and research that we've done that learning comes from the people that you are with. You really need the human connection of your friends or family that you came with to talk it over in this space. And the cultural living room gives you that space to do that in a relaxed setting. One thing the building does now is it's a gateway. It's an invitation from the city side to the park itself, and have this incredible architectural promenade on the way.
The oak tree is one of the foundational elements of the American ecological landscape. We preserved as many native oak trees and blend this new designed landscape with what is already here. This change in ground plane is actually incredibly important for all the bird life and insect life and caterpillars that oak trees are known to sustain.
I think it will bring a lot more people into being curious about what is art saying, what is going on, and I want to be part of that. So it facilitates movement, it facilitates connections, and it facilitates new ideas.